The study of consumer demand in India can't be complete without a closer look at traditional trade, which still accounts for 90% of the urban FMCG market and 94% of the overall FMCG market. With an eye on emerging demand, we're putting the spotlight on the versatile chemist channel. Chemists today contribute to 1 out of every 10 rupees spent on FMCG in India, and more importantly, have emerged as the fastest growing traditional trade channel in terms of value sales.
I would say, the assortment they carry, the depth of the SKUs that they would keep, the relationship that they build with their neighborhood clientele that's there, their knowledge of the products. So obviously they're supposed to know much more than an average grocery or a general merchant, and probably consumers spend more time in the chemist channel, and that does open a lot of new possibilities for companies and manufacturers to see how they best use it.
The chemist story is pretty compelling. We find more chemists stocking FMCG products today than ever before. Given that this channel attracts a relatively more upmarket consumer relative to other traditional trade channels, chemists are at the forefront of driving premiumization and high-ticket purchases for traditional trade. And the growth story is not restricted to larger towns. In fact, chemists in non-metros grew at an average of 24% in value terms versus 15% for the metros over the last 2 years.
I think increasingly a large number of chemists are also increasing their assortment. So versus just keeping the medicines and a bit of OTC, they're now getting into health and nutrition space. Some of them are also, keeping some daily use grocery items. There are 24/7 chemist chains opening. So I think it's a mirror of what the journey that started with the grocery and retail channel. That's also clearly happening to the chemist channels. They are consolidating, chains coming in, high levels of service coming in. So I think we are really focused on chemist channels. The channel's growing fast, much faster than the general merchants and the grocery channel. And clearly with an assortment like ours, we see a big opportunity in driving growth, our own growth in this channel.
So what can you expect from chemists as a channel in the coming years? On the supply side, rapidly evolving assortment, cutting across food, personal care and OTC. More investments leading to infrastructure technology upgrades, and increased customer focus in the form of both in-store shopping experiences as well as loyalty programs. On the demand side, you can expect sustained strong consumer pull from smaller towns especially, consumer experimentation in terms of a broader repertoire of categories from this channel, especially personal care and food, and continued leadership on premiumization and high-end price segments.
The 2 or 3 key factors which are required to win with chemists, in my opinion, number 1 is really understanding the relationship. So we as marketers also need to treat them as specialists. The second thing is, how do we make sure that we kind of provide them with the right product and the right education that they would require, because not every assortment that FMCG sells is right for a chemist channel. The third one from my view is, how do we coexist as manufacturers with the pharma wholesale channel and really get to a point of what services are provided by the pharma wholesale and what do we do as manufacturers.
For fast-moving consumer goods, the chemist channel in India is a $3 billion market today. Almost 2 billion of which is food, personal care and household care. This opportunity will only become increasingly important to FMCG players. We expect this chemist market to double to $6 billion by 2016 and quadruple to touch $12 billion by 2020. It's time marketers took charge of their own prescriptions to win in chemists.